This video explains how to complete the Motivation and Goals project. The purpose of this project is to create effective goals using the SMART goal planning process, establishing motivational strategies to help achieve them, and create a profile of a successful person. In Chapter 3, we read about several strategies for maintaining motivation and making progress towards goals. This project will give you hands-on experience with putting your goals in writing and keeping them visible and visualizing reaching your long-range goals through the creation of a vision board. For this project, you will use Microsoft PowerPoint, a program called Canva as well. So tutorial videos are linked for both. If you're unfamiliar with Microsoft PowerPoint, here is a tutorial. If you're unfamiliar with Canva, here is a tutorial video. And if you're unfamiliar with vision boards, here's an article about how to create a good vision board. It's also important to note that if you do need help with any of these technologies, you can make an appointment with the Tutoring Center for help. It's also a good time to reacquaint yourself with the components of a SMART goal, as you will write one below. This project consists of 5 slides: an introductory slide, your vision board, an FYE success tip SMART goal. The tips can be located here. Strategies to maintain motivation and success. You'll find these in Chapter 3. And finally, you'll profile a successful person. Here is an example of the project. Here is the title slide, the vision board, the academic success tip, strategies to maintain motivation and progress, and profile of a successful person. When you've completed your PowerPoint project, you will click on the Motivation and Goals link. You should always look at the rubric before you post to make sure that you have hit all of the goals of the project. Next, you will hit Browse for local files, and you will attach your goal and motivation project and hit Submit.